What's up, guys? Today's a cold, rainy day. Pretty dark, pretty gloomy. But I just grabbed the mail and I got a package here. It says open on camera. This one's coming from California, from Landon. So today's knife, my EDC, is the Cold Steel Con. We'll eventually do a video on this knife, but getting back into using it a little bit more here. Let's see, is that tape? Nope, sides aren't taped, so should be good to go here. All right, let's put this knife aside. Some garbage. Ooh, ooh-wee. See a cigar, see a little koozie. This is the, if you guys aren't familiar, Dagners pipes koozie. I love that logo. Very, very cool. I got a note here before I pull anything else out of the box. Let's see what the note says. Make sure there's nothing on the bottom I can't show. Oh, good. Okay. You put all the personal information on the bottom but taped over it. I'm actually going to fold it back just in case. Okay. So it says, "Hey Jeff, I'd like to thank you for the great content that you have been sharing with us viewers for so long. I've been a viewer for close to 4 years now, and I still find myself invested and entertained in every video that you post. Thank you, appreciate that. So many things you say and believe directly mirror my views and beliefs, which makes your content even more entertaining for me. As a thank you, I've included a gift, my favorite Savinelli poker." Oh man, okay. Totally the Dagners. I know they love their pokers, and that is super cool. We will see. We'll see in there. "I recently gave up pipe smoking due to me trying to cut back on my tobacco intake. We'll see how long this lasts." Yeah, I know how that's like. I mean, I've actually talked to a couple different viewers that have had some, medical issues, and obviously for certain problems, you have to just get rid of it. As much as people like certain things in life, it's never worth your health. Smoking anything is not healthy, obviously, but pipe smoking, cigar smoking is less damaging by far than, say, cigarettes. But anyway, it says this poker has only been used thrice. I like that. "I've cleaned it as best as I can, and I apologize if it still has ash or dust in it. I invite you to try this poker out and tell me what you think. Also, I have included a few other goodies that I figured you may enjoy. It's nothing extravagant, but it's what I have, including a junk wallet. I figured you could do a giveaway. Doubt you use it. Haha. Hey, you never know. I like all kinds of random stuff. Dagners pipe cleaners and koozie. I figured you know of the badassery that is the smoking Dagners." Yes, 100%. Awesome people. Very active on Instagram, if you guys are on Instagram. If not, they are worth your time. Yeah, totally agree. I've been following them, God, for many, many years. They were probably, I don't know when they got on YouTube originally, but I would say I got into watching their stuff at least like maybe 6 months to a year after they first hit the scene. So yeah, some definite, OG YouTubers. Some Orlick Golden Sliced. I hope it's sealed. I didn't want to open it to check. As well as my favorite Rite Aid brand cigar. Let me know what you think of it, as I love them for a cheapo cigar in the $3 range. I apologize for the random array of stuff. I wanted to include more, but figured you probably have plenty of stuff piling up as it is. Again, thank you for all you do. An appreciative viewer, Landon Y. P.S. I was going to send a knife, but couldn't decide what I could separate with. I love the opportunity to work out a trade with you if you'd be interested, or even purchase a knife from you if you are interested in letting any go, or even pipe stuff. Below, I have attached my Instagram info for contact. Please do not share. I look forward to hearing from you and maybe even being in a video. Not likely, but a cool thought. I just hope you receive this in one piece." Yeah, I do a lot of Instagram stuff. I will send you a message after I do this video on Instagram, but that's where I do all of my selling and trading. It just seems to be the most convenient. It's a much smaller community there than YouTube, so it's a little more tight-knit. And I do a ton of trading. That's where I post. If I'm ever going to sell knives or anything, that's where I've been posting them for the last 6 months, 8 months, whatever it's been since I've gotten a Instagram account. But yeah, it's an awesome place to be. So I'll send you a message on there. So first, here's the cigar he was talking about. Said it was a Rite Aid cigar. Blenders Gold. That's interesting. I will definitely give that a shot. Thank you. Appreciate that a great deal. So here is the Dagners koozie. I actually have, yes, I collect can koozies. I never really got super into it. I just happen to have a collection. Occasionally got a couple, you know, through some different different venues, and then I got a couple when I was out and about because I already had a couple, and I ended up deciding to not purposely collect these. I just happen to collect them on accident, let's say. I probably have like 20 of them or so. But anyway, here's the pipe reveal. Whoops. Let's try it that way. Wow. This is beautiful. Let's see. Smells good. That smells like a good pipe tobacco. Savinelli poker. Beautiful collar here. This is something else. Love the texture on that. You can see, let me zoom in here. Get a little detail. A 311. You see Italy there. Absolutely beautiful though. Look at that. This will definitely be smoked. In fact, I might have one a little bit later today. On a beautiful rainy day like this, just like I said, a little chilly, need something to warm me up. That is absolutely beautiful. Such a nice gift. There we go. Getting that thing to focus here. DagnerPipes.com. Definitely worth a check. But yeah, the golf tee, if you guys are not familiar, if you're familiar with golfing but not pipe smoking, you might say, well, what are you doing with the tee? This actually works great as a little tamper and poker. Right? You can manipulate your tobacco in the pipe as well as use the back here for tamping. These are very nice high quality pipe cleaners too. These are legit pipe cleaners. This is not your second grade craft store, you know, a bunch of different colors kind of stuff. This is actual pipe cleaners that work very well. So, let's see, you also have, field notes. This is cool. I like this. It's like a little Right in the Rain type pad. That is very cool. I'll definitely use this. Actually, I'm going to use this for my my mead stuff. I have been doing the mead project, which I may do a video in the future. When everything's all said and done, I might do a video trying it. I didn't want to do any videos making it. There's plenty of videos online already, but then it brings negative attention, in my opinion. And of course, things get age restricted and stuff. So that's why I decided not to show the process of it, but I probably will show it when it's all done. But yeah, I like to use that for that. Write down my recipes and, you know, my experiences thus far. So that's very, wow, there's other stuff in here. I got a cool lanyard. I like that. Little sandbox camo. That's cool. I do like lanyards. And here's the wallet he's talking about, USA. It's not a bad wallet. Reminds me of something my grandfather might actually carry. Hey, you never know. I do like spare wallets. Sometimes I'll keep in the bag, especially if I'm traveling or something. I'll keep 2 or 3 wallets on me so I can spread my money out. Just in case something goes down, maybe there's a simple theft, I could throw some in a wallet, a couple bogus cards in there, you know, maybe 20 or 30 bucks, and they think they got away with all my stuff. But, you know, it's just good to have a backup wallet anyway, a throwaway, let's call it. But yeah, I do like that. That was very nice. And of course, some Golden Slice from Orlik. This is classic, absolutely classic. I've probably gone through 1.5 tins of this in my day, and I still have, I think, like a half a tin. So it's very nice to get a brand new fresh one. I really appreciate that. So thanks again, Landon. I really appreciate it. I do wish you the very best on cutting back on your smoking. I totally get it. You know, smoking cigars and pipes is by far extremely different than smoking cigarettes. Let's say cigarettes are, I think there's over 400 different chemicals or something that goes into a cigarette. All right, a premium cigar is tobacco. That's it. Different types of tobacco rolled together, and that's all there is. So although it's less harmful, it's not more healthy. You know, some people say that, like, oh, it's more healthy to smoke cigars or pipes than a cigarette. Yeah, it's not really a good way to put it. It's just less harmful. Smoking is bad. It doesn't matter what you smoke. It is bad for you compared to not smoking. Not smoking is the better choice. And I highly recommend, especially if you're younger, if you're a teenager, do not smoke. If you want to smoke later in life and make those decisions, go right ahead. But trust me, it's just, it's not worth it. It's not worth your health. You're developing still. it's just not a good thing. That's something you can decide to do later in life. But anyway, that is all. Thank you very much for you guys' time. I appreciate it as always. And again, Landon, thank you very much. Awesome, awesome stuff here. I'm going to probably enjoy that a little bit later on today. Perfect rainy day for it. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.